in this short video, I thought I'd share with you a technique to hide the value in a cell. So the cell has the value in there, but it doesn't display and it doesn't print. So it's a format that you can apply to this cell to do that. A couple of reasons to do it. One is if you're working with controls, like a checkbox, which is going to be in my next video, then you might want to hide the value underneath the checkbox, which will be a true or a false. And so that's what you typically use this format for. But if you just want to hide a value so it's not visible and it won't print, here's how you do it. So let's start the timer. So click on the cell that you want to change, hold the control key down and press the number 1. And use the 1 on the keyboard. Don't use the keypad on the right hand side because it doesn't work. That opens up format cells. That shortcut, by the way, formats everything. Click on custom. In the type section here, type in 1, 2, 3 semicolons in a row, and that's it. Click OK. And we can stop that there. So what that does is it hides the entry. The 3 semicolons are actually part of the custom number format. So custom number format allows you to handle positives, negatives, and text. And by putting 3 semicolons in a row, you're basically saying don't show anything, which in this case, that's what it's doing. So the 100, you can see it's in the formula bar there, is there, and this formula is actually adding it, so it doesn't affect calculations at all, but it just hides the value. And again, stay tuned for the next video in the series because I'll be showing you how you can use a checkbox in Excel, and this format is really useful for that. Okay, thanks for watching.